Welcome inside the BMW series production line, where cutting-edge toasted luxury. Premium high-strength steel is carefully prepared before forming begins. Every millimeter is inspected to guarantee BMW's legendary precision. Thousands of tons of hydraulic force shape each structural component with micron-level precision. This floor panel becomes the backbone of the BMW 7 Series. Robotic laser systems trim every edge with exceptional accuracy. Even microscopic imperfections are eliminated before assembly begins. Advanced 3D laser scanners inspect millions of measurement points within seconds. Only flawless components continue to the approved floor structure now enters BMW's fully automated body shop. Robotic systems position every component with incredible precision before welding begins. Hundreds of robotic welds create an exceptionally strong safety structure. Every weld is electronically monitored for perfect consistency. Laser-guided robots position the roof with absolute accuracy. The passenger compartment is now structurally complete. Advanced laser scanners verify every dimension with micron-level accuracy. Only perfectly measured bodies move to the next production stage. The entire body is submerged in a protective e-coat bath to resist corrosion for decades. Before painting begins, every surface is cleaned to perfection. Even microscopic dust particles are removed to ensure a flawless finish. Electrostatic paint robots apply primer with exceptional precision. This protective layer prepares the body for its luxurious exterior finish. Controlled heat permanently cures the primer coating. The body is now ready for BMW's signature premium paint finish. Multiple layers of premium metallic paint create extraordinary depth and brilliance. Every movement is calculated for a perfectly uniform finish. A crystal-clear protective layer delivers lasting brilliance and durability. With the paintwork complete, the flawless painted body now enters BMW's advanced final assembly hall. Its mechanical heart is already being prepared on a separate production line. Every BMW engine begins with a precisely machined aluminum block. Micron-level accuracy ensures exceptional performance and reliability. The forged steel crankshaft forms the engine's rotating foundation. Every bolt is tightened with computer-controlled precision. Precision-engineered pistons are carefully installed into every cylinder. Perfect alignment guarantees smooth power delivery at every speed. The cylinder head transforms the engine into a complete power unit. Next, it will be paired with BMW's advanced transmission before meeting the vehicle body. The completed BMW engine now meets its advanced automatic transmission. Precision alignment ensures smooth power delivery and long-term reliability. Computer-controlled torque tools tighten every fastener with exceptional accuracy. The complete powertrain is now ready for integration with the vehicle chassis. Every connection is carefully inspected before installation. Only fully approved powertrains continue to final vehicle assembly. Advanced suspension components are assembled for exceptional comfort and handling. Every module is calibrated before meeting the vehicle body. This is the moment every BMW takes shape. The luxury body and precision-engineered chassis become one complete automobile. Thousands of electrical connections are carefully routed throughout the vehicle. This wiring network becomes the nervous system of the BMW 7 Series.
Dozens of intelligent control modules coordinate every vehicle function. Each electronic unit is individually identified and verified before activation.
Advanced insulation materials create the exceptionally quiet cabin BMW is known for. Every layer is precisely positioned for maximum acoustic comfort. The handcrafted cockpit combines precision engineering with modern luxury. Every connector and mounting point is secured before interior assembly continues.
Premium leather, handcrafted trim, and intelligent comfort systems define the BMW 7 Series interior.
Precision-installed laminated glass enhances both safety and cabin comfort. Laser-guided robots ensure a perfect factory seal every time. The panoramic glass roof brings light and elegance into the cabin. Every glass panel is installed with millimeter-level precision. Luxury extends to every detail, including intelligent soft-close doors. Each exterior component is aligned to BMW's exact quality standards. BMW's intelligent lighting system combines safety with unmistakable design. Every beam is electronically calibrated before the vehicle leaves the assembly line. The final rolling components transform the BMW 7 Series into a complete luxury automobile. Every vital fluid is filled with computer-controlled precision. The BMW 7 Series is now mechanically ready for electronic activation. Thousands of software parameters bring the BMW 7 Series to life. Every intelligent system is programmed and synchronized before the first startup. Every electronic feature is tested before the engine is started. luxury, safety, and performance systems must operate flawlessly. The moment of truth has arrived. The BMW 7 Series comes to life for the very first time. Every engine parameter, every BMW must prove its durability under extreme simulated weather conditions. A perfectly sealed cabin is essential for luxury, comfort, and long-term reliability. Before leaving the factory, every BMW must prove itself under simulated driving conditions. The rolling road recreates real-world performance without leaving the production line.
Every acceleration, gear change and engine response is carefully analyzed. BMW engineers verify that performance meets exact factory specifications.
Precision braking and steering are essential to the BMW driving experience. Every movement is calibrated for maximum control and safety. Every BMW 7 Series must meet the brand's uncompromising quality standards. Only perfection earns final factory approval. With every inspection complete, the BMW 7 Series is ready for its journey around the world. From this factory floor, every completed BMW receives a digital identity before leaving the factory. Advanced logistics systems coordinate deliveries to customers around the world.
Automated loading systems protect every vehicle during transport. Each BMW begins its journey under carefully controlled conditions.
From the factory, every BMW travels through a precision-managed distribution network. Each vehicle is inspected again before the final finishing touches prepare the BMW 7 Series for its first public appearance. Every surface reflects the craftsmanship behind its creation. From raw materials to a world-class luxury sedan, every detail reflects BMW engineering excellence. The BMW 7 Series is now ready to begin its journey. Every final detail is carefully checked before the vehicle meets its new owner. The journey from factory to showroom is finally complete.
This is the moment months of precision engineering become a personal experience. The BMW 7 Series is now ready for countless journeys ahead.
Every surface, material, and technology reflects BMW's commitment to luxury. The handcrafted cabin is designed.
From the production line to the open road, the BMW 7 Series delivers true flagship luxury. Every kilometer. From raw materials to a masterpiece of engineering, every step reflects precision without compromise. From Germany to roads across the globe, every BMW 7 Series to excellence. Behind every BMW 7 Series stands a team of skilled engineers, technicians, and craftsmen. Innovation and precision come together in every vehicle they create. The BMW 7 Series is more than a luxury sedan. It's a masterpiece of engineering.
From raw materials to world-class luxury, every stage reflects BMW's pursuit of perfection.
Thank you for joining us inside the BMW 7 Series production line. From raw materials to a world-class